Hello friends, in this video we'll check how to repair a leaking tap. As we are seeing, both the walls has been closed but still the water is been leaking from the tap, so there might be the spandrel problem, mechanism problem, other with in the joints. If we have the joint problem, leakage in the Teflon tape, then we can see from the bottom, but as we are seeing here no wetness, so that might be the problem in the spandrel. So let us replace the tap now, and in the part 2 let us see how to repair a spandrel. So firstly, before replacing the tap, we need to close the main wall of the water tank and then remove the faucet connection and let the water be drain out completely. So just wait till the water has been completely drained out from the pipeline, and we need to replace it with the new tap. As we are seeing, the water pressure has been down, so we need to identify that the water in the pipeline has been drained out completely, and now we need to remove it by rotating the tap. If it is very hard, then use the hand tools. So as we are seeing, it is been very hard, but still we can do it with hand also without using the tool. Just put the pressure from the bottom and let the tap be rotated, and this is how we are going to remove the tap. And just check up whether there is any kind of damages in the wall or any dust particles from the tap pipeline. So as we are seeing, the Teflon tape is very good, no issues with the Teflon tape, and the tap, yeah, it's also the clean and the threads are very good. There might be a problem with the spandrel in the tap, which we can repair it 10 to 20 rupees only. That's very easy to repair the spandrel, and I will show it how to repair the spandrel in the part 2. And in this part 1 video, let us replace it with the new tap. Let us now apply the Teflon tape on the thread area of the tap, and then let us place it. So just make it properly, the Teflon tape which we use generally to stop the leaking from the joints. So apply it properly as you are seeing. So just go on rotating and apply the Teflon tape properly. Now it's the time to place it. Before placing, just check up and rotate it properly. Apply normal pressure, no need to apply more pressure on the tap for rotating or tightening. If you still find up the leak from the joint, then you apply more pressure. So now it's been tightening, and that's right, the position. Okay, it's well set with the position. Now let us fix the faucet connection, and that's tightened. Right, now let us open the wall connection also from the tank, water tank. So rotate has the indication mentioned on the wall, and opened both the walls. Now let us check the water whether it is leaking from the joints or any failures in the mechanism. So it's working properly, tap is working properly, and the faucet is also working properly. There is no issues. Now let us check in the from the joint whether it is leaking, there is any kind of leak or not in the joints. So as we are seeing, there is little leak from the faucet joint. So let us apply the Teflon tape and refix it for the faucet. There is no issues with the tap is okay, only leak is in the faucet joint. So let us remove the connection, PVC connection pipe, and apply it with Teflon tape. So let us remove it. close the wall properly and let us remove it. And let us fix the Teflon tape in the threaded area of the tap. Now it's fixed up. Now let us refix the PVC connection pipe in the joint and let us recheck there is any kind of leak or no. And that's success, there is no kind of leak. And this is the way how we are going to replace the tap, and there is no requirement of any plumber for small works, so we can do it by ourselves. So friends, hope this video was useful, and wait for the part 2 for spandrel replacement.